You sit down to write a report, and somehow an hour disappears. You're not doing new work, you're just rewriting everything you already did. Why does something so simple take so long? By the end of the week, your work is everywhere: tasks, notes, chats, dashboards. Now you need to turn all of that into one clean, structured report. So you start jumping between tabs. Copying, pasting, rewording, organizing. What should take minutes slowly turns into an hour or more. Here's what's actually happening. You're not writing a report, you're rebuilding your entire week from scattered pieces. That's the hidden inefficiency. And it's why reporting feels slow, even when the work is already done. Now here's the shift. Stop writing reports. Start converting your work into reports. This is where the report generation system comes in. Instead of starting from scratch, you follow a simple input instruction output flow. Step 1. Gather your raw work, tasks, notes, updates, and key metrics. Step 2. Give a clear instruction. Ask AI to turn it into a structured report with summary, key outcomes, and next steps. Step 3. Get your output, a complete report, clean and ready to share. Let me show you exactly how this works. You take something messy like completed onboarding setup, fixed payment bug, client feedback on UI, improved loading speed by 20%. And instantly, it becomes, this week focused on completing onboarding setup and resolving a key payment issue. Client feedback was incorporated to improve UI, and loading speed increased by 20%. Next steps include optimizing user flow and monitoring performance.
Wait.
No compiling, no rewriting, just output. What used to take 1 to 2 hours now takes under 5 minutes. Same work, faster output, less effort. So here's the takeaway. If you're still building reports manually, you're repeating work. Your report should come directly from what you've already done, automatically. If you ever wanted to work smarter, like subscribe and check the description for prompts and more.